Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Iverson. I'm here today with another video, and today we're going to talk about instruments. Specifically, we're going to talk about shakers. At our music room, we have lots of instruments that make a shaky sound. I bet you can think of a couple. You know the ones that are little, they look like eggs. We call those our egg shakers. Or we have shakers like this. What are these called? That's right, maracas. So, we have a lot of things in our own homes that make a sound pretty similar to a maraca or an egg shaker. So let's think about some things in your house that might make a shaky sound. Ellie, my daughter, and I have gathered some things together that make a shaker sound. Let's look at a couple of them. So here's one. I bet a lot of you have this at your house. Let's listen if it makes a shaky sound. Very shaky, kind of loud. Do you think we can shake it with a steady beat? Let's try it. Yeah, that's a pretty good beat. All right, so that's just mac and cheese. What'd you find, Ellie?
Sprinkles.
Ooh, let's try that.
Kinda, it's quieter.
Yeah, let's try it. That's way quieter. Why do you think that is so much quieter than this?
Because it's smaller.
Yeah, it's a smaller tube, and the thing inside is very small. The sprinkles are very delicate and tiny in this. And of course, mac and cheese noodles are a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Let's hear yours again. Yep. Here's another one. This is just breadcrumbs that you cook with. Let's see if it makes a shaky sound. Ooh, it's very quiet too. And that's because even though this is a bigger container, it's very fine. The things that are inside it are very tiny. The breadcrumbs are really small. What else do you have, Ellie?
Gum.
Ooh.
It's like ice cubes.
Shake
And
it.
it's actually really loud too. Because they're like this. They're like this big.
They're pretty big on the inside. So we're kind of figuring out that the bigger the thing on the inside, the louder the sound it's going to make. Well, Ellie and I are going to show you how you can make an easy egg shaker at home or a shaker out of some other things too. So let's get started, Ellie. Bring over our supplies. So you might need a grown-up to help you with this project, just especially to find the supplies. So what we're going to use today, boys and girls, we have some rice right here, white or brown. In this container, Ellie has a whole bunch of beads. This is all, I don't know, can you see the beads there? Beads of all kinds of different sizes. And we have a little bit of tape, and of course, we have some eggs. Now, we have a lot of these because it's Easter time, so we have a lot of Easter eggs laying around for our Easter egg hunt. So maybe you have some of these as well. So if you do, making an egg shaker is pretty easy. What are we going to do, Ellie?
So you can get some beads, or you can use rice, or you can use both of them. And then you just put them in here, and it doesn't matter how much.
And close it. Now the important thing is you have to close the egg really tightly. And if you have an egg that's a little loose feeling, you might want to use a piece of tape, Scotch tape or any kind of tape really, and just put a little bit of tape along the outside edge there to make sure that it really stays. And then look at that. You have an egg shaker. Easy peasy. Let's try one with beads and see how it sounds. Now wait, before you shake it, let's predict. This used rice, which is pretty small, and that uses beads, which is bigger. Which one is going to sound louder? Which one? You think it's going to be that one? What do you think? All right, let's try it. Here's this one. Yep, the bigger beads made a louder sound. That's right. Let's shake them together.
What if you use both of them?
Let's try it. A little bit of rice. Use a little. I used a little more rice this time, and a handful of beads. Let's see how this is going to sound. Ooh, this one feels a little. You know what? I'm just going to put a tape on it. I do not want rice and beads flying all over the place, so I'm just going to put a little bit of tape here. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh, geez. Here we go. About the same, isn't it? I think because we had so much more rice, it sort of mutes. It makes the beads sound a little bit softer. But it's still a great sound. Now, if you don't have any eggs at home, you could use any small container to make a shaker of your own. Some things we thought of. I'm going to grab that container here. This is just an old jar for peanuts. We like peanuts at our house, so we had this laying around. Let's put some beads in there, Ellie. Big handful of beads.
Oops, there's a rock in there.
Well, that's all right. Here we go. Okay. And let's twist that again. Make sure the lid's on tight. Yeah, that's a good loud sound. That's a good sound. And Ellie had a great idea too. She took a couple of these little blue plastic cups that we had laying around, and we just taped them together like that. And again, you might want a grown-up to help you for this one because, again, you do not want stuff flying all over. We put some rice, I think, inside there.
Both, I think.
Maybe both. Yeah, sounds like both. And then we shake it. That's a good loud shaker. That plastic really makes it nice and loud. Let's use our egg shakers. And this is a song that we do in TK in kindergarten. Let's try shake, shake, shake. You want to try it with me? You just have to follow me. Okay. It's easy. Here we go. Ready? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 and stop. You have to do it with me.
Okay.
Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 and stop. Now say, wow. Oh, she's so good at this. Let's go again. Ready? Faster. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 and stop. Wow. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 and stop. Wow. Okay, tap, tap. Here, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 and stop. And of course, you can just put on your favorite music and use your egg shakers and really get down with the beat. That sounds like fun to me. So there's just an easy, fun way that you and your parents or older brothers and sisters can make some egg shakers so you can celebrate and have fun making music together. If you do this project, I would love to see pictures of it, so make sure and send those to me. Hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye!